Okay, let's start with your full name.
Sure, my full name is Shahriar Omar Sifat, and my friends and family members like to call me Sifat as it's my nickname.
Okay, how old are you, Sifat?
I'm 17, and in this December, I'm going to 18.
Okay, what was your favorite subject in school?
In school, basically, my favorite subject was math and English, but among them, English is the best for me
Why do you like English?
because I prefer English over all subjects. I can do better results on this subject.
Okay, how did you go to school?
I go to school by foot because it's 4 or 3 minutes to reach my school, so I prefer to go to school by foot.
Okay, what time you are used to go to bed?
Most of the time, I go to bed around 11 or 11:30 o'clock.
Which time do you usually take your lunch?
Basically, I take my lunch at about 2:30 or 2.
Okay, do you often exercise?
Yeah, surely I exercise every morning when I get up early at 6 o'clock. I do exercises for 1 hour and then take a shower.
Okay, why do you think exercise is important?
It's surely important to make you confident and have a great monotony in your mind, and it will help you to stay fresh and refreshed all over the day.
Okay, do you prefer study alone or with friends?
I would like to prefer study with friends because when you study with your friends, you will be able to get more facilities to understand. If you don't understand any topic, you can ask to your friend and he will help you to get the topic.
Okay, how many hours are you used to study?
I study 7 to 8 hours a day.
Okay, do you like learning English?
Surely, I like learning English as it's my favorite subject.
Okay, what is the capital of your country?
Dhaka city is the capital of our country.
Now tell me something about Dhaka city.
To say about Dhaka city, there are two types of people come here. Some of them stay and make it overcrowded. Most of them are village people who came here to remove their unemployment, but most of them remain unemployed after coming here without any kind of qualification. So they made this city overpopulated. But there's also other people who came here to make great business and help to make money for our country.
Okay, do you prefer summer or winter?
I'd like to prefer summer
Why?
because in the summer you will be able to take light clothes, and in the winter you have to wear heavy clothes.
Okay, do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I enjoy traveling with my family.
Okay, what was the recent trip with your family?
The recent trip was to Bandarban with my family.
Okay, how many days you stayed there?
We stayed there for 3 days.
Okay, can you share the experience of Bandhavan?
Surely, as it was our second trip, first trip was to Cox's Bazar and the second trip was to Bandarban. We went there at the winter and it was like foggy weather when we go there by bus, so we felt a very amazing experience there.
Should students wear school uniforms?
Surely, if the school says that they have to wear the uniform, they should.
Okay, is it better to wake up early or to stay up late?
It's better to wake up early because if you wake up early, you will get enough time to do your homeworks. As I'm a student, I would like to prefer to wake up early. You will get enough time to do exercises and you will get enough time to do your homeworks all over the day.
Do you think technology is more helpful in education?
Yes, in these days, technology is helpful for the students. They can learn many things in online because most of the courses are free in the online. They can learn different types of skills. Even there are paid courses. You can earn more skills by using them.
Okay, thank you, Asif. It was wholesome to meet you. Thank you. Best of luck.
Welcome.